Nothing is better than reading and gaining more and more knowledge. We create history by our observation, rather than history creating us. Science is not only a disciple of reason but also one of romance and passion. The computer in your cell phone today is 1,000,000 times cheaper and 1,000 times more powerful and about 100,000 times smaller than the one computer at MIT in 1965. You cannot predict the future. People won't have time for you if you are always angry or complaining. Quiet people have the loudest minds. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance, it is the illusion of knowledge. It surprises me how disinterested we are today about things like physics, space, the universe and philosophy of our existence, our purpose, our final destination. It's a crazy world out there. Be curious. Intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. Although I cannot move and I have to speak through a computer, in my mind I am free. One of the basic rules of the universe is that nothing is perfect. Perfection simply doesn't exist. Without imperfection, neither you nor I would exist. The downside of my celebrity is that I cannot go anywhere in the world without being recognized. It is not enough for me to wear dark sunglasses and a wig. The wheelchair gives me away. If time travel is possible, where are the tourists from the future? You cannot understand the glories of the universe without believing there is some supreme power behind it. People who boast about their IQ are losers. The thing about smart people is that they seem like crazy people to dumb people. We only have to look at ourselves to see how intelligent life might develop into something we wouldn't want to meet. The idea of 10 dimensions might sound exciting, but they would cause real problems if you forget where you parked your car. I am just a child who has never grown up. I still keep asking these how and why questions. Occasionally, I find an answer. I have noticed even people who claim everything is predestined, and that we can do nothing to change it, look before they cross the road. Work gives you meaning and purpose, and life is empty without it. We are in danger of destroying ourselves by our greed and stupidity. We cannot remain looking inwards at ourselves on a small and increasingly polluted and overcrowded planet.